On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What is up? Welcome to Cheezy's Garage again with my assistant mini truck. Today we're gonna review another pressure washer, Soy NCLL. I won't try to pronounce it. Soy NCLL high pressure cleaning washer. Oh, they got it all greased up in there now. Nice. Tips, some hanger brackets, screws. I'm not sure yet. And a number 2 screwdriver. Way to go. They've sent number 1s in the past for the number 2 screws. Not really a big deal, but stainless steel rod with disconnect, and those are stainless steel ball bearings. This looks like it's brass. Not only did they grease this where the hose is going to connect, this has a little lock on the bottom side. Handle. That's a wand holder.
That's what she said.
Soap applicator. Oh, well, look at that. It's got the hose reel on the back. You know what? Wow, that's actually a really good idea. The pressurized hose reel, very good idea. So they finally have it. I'm liking this already. Oh, it's got a little suitcase handle for walking it around. Let's finish putting it together and we'll get some close-up shots of it. I could see what they did there. They got a quick release for the power wire. Oh, that make it a little easier. Got some good leverage on that too. Power cord rack with a quick disconnect. The power cord's not very long. Not quite as long as the other pressure washers I've reviewed in the past. So now when you want to get the cord off, you just flip that down out of the way and pull the cord off. Gotta find somewhere that should hold it, hopefully. Put so much grease there, we can use that grease. I like the new idea of that hose reel. It looks like that goes there. Huh. It's a good idea. They put that there. Everything but the tips. Nope, I was wrong. This has a place for everything. I thought that was just for looks. I could read through the manual, of course. 25-degree tip. White, which is a 40-degree spray tip. Then it goes yellow, which is a 15. 0-degree tip, which is just a pinpoint. The least powerful to the most powerful, just like that. It's got a nice solid on-off rotary switch. No flex there. No flex. So it's claiming 2,180 pounds of pressure, 3,800 max. 44-pound inlet max, 1.5 gallon per minute flow, of course 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1800 watt rated power. Looks like that switch shuts the load and the line off. And then you got the pressure switch there. Simple diagram, eh? Since it's below freezing temperatures outside, let's open this up and see what's inside. Quick release power cord holder. Not so quick release. You'd have to cut this back side off a little more. For the wire to be quick release, you definitely would have to make this flush. Well, some of these are deep.
That's what she said.
Hid some behind the wheels. As we saw in the schematic, there's not much to the wiring. And there it is. And there's the pump. And the pressure switch. There's the motor. Let's go deeper.
That's what she said.
It is all cast aluminum going in there. That's good. Here's the motor. And there's your power connections. Comes off of there, goes through your pressure switch, back up and down into your electric motor. Nice little compact unit. See what they got for a pressure switch here. Okay, I see. Simple. Very simple. Let's put this thing back together, boys. Hopefully it still runs. There's little rubber motor mounts behind these. That's why I lifted it up. There. Looks like it's all sealed back tight. Got all dirty now. Any spare parts? Nope. Let's keep going. Well, let's see if this thing starts. I think we're good, boys. So the pump is a solid aluminum housing. That's pretty impressive. I've seen a lot of ones that have the plastic. Definitely want aluminum or aluminum cast, of course. Get the rest of these screws in. You don't need to watch me do that. Put a little grease on this spindle and the O-rings. Looks like I got it. No extra screws. No extra screws. All greased up. They should put some grease on that, in my opinion. I gotta clean her up now. Use some awesome cleaner on this. Brand new bottle. What do you want for $1? There, all clean. Get her hooked up, try it out. Hook the water hose. Alright, 18.5. Bleed the air out of it. Time test, ready, go. Alrighty, let's soap her up. It's got a lot of pressure for a soap dispenser. This hose gets very rigid when it's cold. I like this high-powered soap dispenser. White. Green. Orange is the next one up. And red, which this one here will rip through stuff. Gotta be careful with that one for sure. Do my undercarriage wash. I'll put a link for this too. And of course I'll have a link for that in the description. All clean, Minnie. Now we're going to do a pressure test, as we always do. See what the maximum pressure this will do. Ready? I went up to 1100. Not too bad. Does a decent job. There's a link with a discount code if you guys want to purchase it. Thanks for watching from Cheezy's Garage.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.